Let's take a trip down to Antarctica, where scientists have been monitoring the annual formation of the Antarctic ozone hole for over 40 years now.
Let's go!
This is the Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station. It's built at the very bottom of the world on top of 2 miles of snow and ice. It's a hub of scientific research with several large telescopes, a massive neutrino detector buried in the ice, and an array of atmospheric measurements, all located far from the effects of human activity. Since the South Pole is basically as far as you can get from humanity, this is some of the cleanest air on Earth, and used as a baseline measurement of the atmospheric composition.
It's really cold here.
The station protects researchers from the extreme environment of Antarctica throughout the year. Since the station is located at the very bottom of the world, the South Pole only experiences one sunrise and one sunset per year. That means that once the sun sets here, it doesn't rise for another 6 whole months.
Wow, that's a really long time to not see the sun.
It is, but it's also great for many of the telescopes located here as they can operate for long, uninterrupted periods of time. The high altitude and extremely dry air also help with some of the clearest skies anywhere. Scientists living here are treated to incredible views of the Milky Way and glittering aurora as the high energy particles interact with our upper atmosphere.
That's really beautiful.
NOAA also launches their ozone sonde balloons from here to measure the annual formation of the ozone hole above Antarctica.
Wait, the ozone hole isn't always there?
No, a new hole actually forms every year.
That's so weird.
Let's take a closer look at Antarctica and why the ozone hole forms here.